Hello friends, welcome to my channel Otanu Khatwa. Today I am discussing about English T20 Blast. Today's match Glokis sir versus Warkis sir. First of all, I remember you that yesterday all matches we are rocked one single-handedly. Also we can click mini GL also. So very good result yesterday. So today I am discussing Glokis sir. So Hemond and Chris Dent coming to the open. Hemond is a left-hand batsman and Dent also a left-hand batsman. So though both two are very attacking batsmen, Hammond scored 4, 48, 41, 41, 0 and 27 all. But one thing I clear to all, he scored 41 against Warkisar. So he's excellent so far today also. Last two matches he failed badly. So all the people are leave him. But today I one thing to remember you that he will be a good defensive pick for us. Then Chris Dent is also a default pick. He scored so although one match he scored 60, 87. So he's an excellent batsman so far and very attacking batsman. Then coming to the Cockburn. Cockburn is the main pillar of this team. He scored 28, 84, 18, 40 and 50. So far he's a average. He's also a good batsman. He's the main pillar of this team. Okay. Then coming to the Higgins. Higgins is the best all-rounder from this team. He he can score he can score high also. He also contribute with the ball with his bowling excellently. He scored 12, 30, 16, 17 and 25, but he get wicket 3 wicket fast match. Then next match 1 wicket, and very next match he got 4 wicket in one match. So obviously a good choice for captain, and last match he also get 3 wickets. So obviously he is excellent so far all the matches. He can give you point both batting and bowling also. So obviously a default choice for captain vice captain. Then coming to the Bresley. Bresley Bresley scored 17, 39, 40 and 0. James Taylor, captain of this team, he scored only 10, 27, 3, 8, 4, 24 and 13. So not much effective for us, but the opening four, that's the best player of this team. So obviously Hemon, Dent, Cockburn and Higgins. Excellent so far every match. And Glokesar is the table tower, so obviously make your team in the favor of Glokesar. Okay. Then coming to the yes, G Scott. G Scott very less chance to get his potential to his bat, but when he get chance his batting excellent. He scored 33 and 21, and he also a part-time bowler. Anytime he can bowl over, and if the so he can get wicket. Now their team added Benny Howell. Benny Howell is an excellent player. He's an excellent record. So far, he did. Last match he played and he scored 49 only, 49 by only 18 balls. He is a very excellent, talented player, and he bowled full over by four fully 4 overs. So obviously he has an excellent pick. You can try him captain vice captain in a grand league. You can easily try him in vice captain in your small league also. Then come to the GB Buren. GB Buren is a orthodox bowler. So when he less chance to get performance with his bat, but he ball full over. So obviously you can try him. He get 1 wicket every match. Now coming to the Matt Taylor. Matt Taylor is excellent, not much effective, but he got one first match he got 1 wicket, then two match he got 1 wicket and 2 wickets. So last match he not playing, so he replaced because many all replace him. So in today's match I hope. Now coming to the Tom Smith. Tom is excellent bowler. He got every match wicket. I just only 1 and 2 match he get wicketless, but he's a excellent bowler, excellent, and must try him in your team. Why? Left arm orthodox can get a game changer any moment. Last day you remember that Daniel Moratti. All player go with Gary Batty. We are going with Daniel Moratti, and he took 2 wickets, and we can easily clean sweep every league. So obviously always left arm orthodox main in your team. Okay. Then coming to the Deep Payne is a left arm fast bowler. Obviously he get every match wicket. Fast match he get wicketless, then he got 3 wicket, 1 wicket, and last match he also got 2 wicket. So obviously a very strong team for this side. So he's also a table topper. So obviously you made your team in the favor of Glockisar. So my favorable seven will be Hammond, Chris Dane, Cockburn, Higgins, Benny Howell. Then coming to the Tom Smith, D Payne, and my last pick will be G Buran. So this team, I will go with this seven. When I make my team, you will see I will take all these seven. So now coming to the Warkiswar stat. So Warwick sir is a very I think bottom of the table. He's just not much impressive in this tournament. So Bell last two match opening Bell open first four matches and last two matches open Sibley and Yates. One thing I clear to all, Sibley failed both the matches, but I recommended you to try him. Sibley he can score, he can give his to show his potential of batting, but he is an excellent batsman, excellent record, but he badly failed two matches. But Rob Yates impressive me so much. He last match he scored 39, but although he scored 39 in 39, he's considered it three sixes. So obviously a good pick and good choice for us. So you can must try in your team. He scored 30. Sorry, he scored 29, but there will be a three sixes. Obviously a potential a good batsman. Then come to the Eddie Pollock. Eddie Pollock not much impressive so much all the tournament. Their main batsman will be Adam Hose and Sam Hen, but the both batsmen will fail against Glokesar badly. So don't know what will we do today's match. But Adam House and Sam Hen both are the main batsmen of this team. Then coming to the W Roads. Adam House he scored 38, 18, 23 and 43. And Sam Hen in scored last match 73. He is excellent so far in the batting. But I think Sam Hen will be high chance to flop today match. Yesterday I am talking about Tom Aslov. He go back to he just scored one run. Today I am talking about Sam Hen. My thinking will be different so far. So I think Sam Hen will be fail badly today's match. Okay. Now coming to W Road. W Road is a good all rounder. He can give the potential to give point batting and bowling both also. So you must in your team. Dan Mosley played only one match, but he is an excellent all rounder. If he play, then must try in your team. Okay, Tim Bresnan is an excellent all rounder, but he fell badly again. Glokesar he just bowl one over and get 24 runs. So obviously he's a expensive so far. So you can try him, but today I think I will drop him. So then come to the Lintott. Lintott is an orthodox bowler. I always told about orthodox bowler and leg break bowler is a expensive. So obviously Linton, you can try Linton in your team. Okay. Then coming to the Brooks. Brooks is excellent when he getting chance to bat. He will score every moment to 20 to 30 runs. So obviously a good choice for good choice. He also contribute with he is a good bowler, but he's also contribute with his batting also. So obviously we must try him. Then coming to Ole Stone. Ole Stone is the main bowler of this team. He get every match wicket. So obviously you must pick on your team. Then coming to the Max Vargas, Max the wicket keeper. He's just not much impressive. He scored only 17, 7, 19 and 12. Then coming to the Jiten Patel. Jiten is a very experienced player, but he's a off-break bowler. Today all the batsmen from the Glokisar will be left-hand batsmen. I think he can give potential to get wicket. But all the batsmen will be strong from Glokisar. So don't know what happening today. But I hope Jiten Patel will get one or two wicket today's match. So because he is a very experienced player, Jiten Patel. So here will be my best four will be I think for safer side you can go with Sam Hen, W Rhodes, and I go with Ole Stone, and my last choice will be Yates or Sibley. You can go with both. I think if Warkish or batting first, so I will go with Sibley and Yates, and also go with Adam House, Sam Hin or W Rhodes. So my this will be if you think the Warkish will be winning today, so my best seven will be, so my best seven for this team will be Sibley, Yates, House, Hen, Rhodes, and then come to the Stone, and also is a very good pick will be I think Brooks or Linton. You can go with anyone. So this will be my choice. Now coming to the Dream 11, we make us our team. Hello. Now we coming to the wicket keeper section. So wicket keeper there will be two choice: Max Vargas and Jeb Bracey. Jeb Bracey obviously a good pick. So no differential choice. If you try Grand League, then go with Max Vargas. All the others, all the James Bracey is a default pick. You can go with him. Now coming to the batting section. Batting section there will be many choices. Ian Cockburn, Hen, Dent, House, Hammond. What I am saying about Hammond only 12%, but he's a good defensive pick for today's match. Keep in your mind. Now coming to the my two defensive choice will be Dominic Sibley and Rob Yates. James Taylor also playing not much effective so much. Then the two defensive pick will be Sibley and Rob Yates. Rob Yates very impressive me last match. Obviously you can, Dom Sibley is a excellent batsman. He just failed two match badly, but one thing, but he if he played today's match, I must in your team. Okay. Now, yeah, their best choice will be Cockburn, Chris Dent, and Hammond, and you can go with Hen. So my choice will be that. Now coming to the all-rounder section. All-rounder section there will be Higgins, Bresnan, Buren, Rhodes, Howell, Scott. So now the best choice will be Higgins, Benny Howell must in Benny Howell choice only 14%, but you must in your team. Now coming whom you take, Bresnan, Rhodes will be coming to the upper order, so obviously must take Rhodes. Okay. So now coming to the bowling section. Bowling section, the oldest student is the main pillar of the team, main bowler of the team. Okay. Then I think others. If you although I one thing clear to all, I make my team in the favor of Glow. So I think here I am dropping Bracey and take Mike Vargas to get more potential to the bowler from the Glow. So I taking Tom Smith, D Payne, and the all I think go with. Now I am going with Ole Stone. Ole Stone is the main bowler of the team. So my team will be so far that. So obviously here now coming to the captain vice captain choice. So default captain choice will be I think told you Ryan Higgins. So now coming to the vice captain, there will be more vice captain choice. Chris Dent, Hammond, Cockburn, Hen, Rhodes, Benny Howell. Okay. Though I think so best choice will be goes for I think W Rhodes. You can go. He can potential to give you points at batting and bowling also. Otherwise you can go with Dent or Hammond also. Now I am going with also one thing I am also Tom Smith will be a good pick for today's match also. Okay. So now I am going with Benny Howell. Benny Howell very impressive batsman. He can tonk the ball any. If he come lower order, but he can score big. Just he scored 14 and just 18 balls. So obviously a must pick. If Glockies are batting first, then I try to make Benny Howell vice captain. Otherwise, if bowling first, then I make my vice captain to Tom Smith. So it's depend on toss. After toss, I give my final team in my Telegram channel. Those who are not joined in my channel, link in the description and go through this and join my channel. So those who are fast in my channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. সো এখানে আমি ভিডিওটা শেষ করছি, দেখা হবে পরের ভিডিওতে। আমার ভাইস ক্যাপ্টেন আমি এখন এখানে দিয়ে দিচ্ছি বেনি হাওয়েলকে, তো টিম আমি সেভ করে নিলাম তোমাদের সামনে। সো দেখা হবে পরের ভিডিওতে সো ফাইনাল টিম আমার টেলিগ্রামে দেবো, যারা এখনও জয়েন করে তারা অবশ্যই জয়েন করে নাও, এবং ভিডিওটা ভালো ইফ ইউ লাইক যদি ভিডিওটা ভালো লাগে থাকে অবশ্যই ভিডিওটা খুব লাইক করে এবং দেখা হবে পরের ভিডিও। থ্যাংকস ফর ওয়াচিং।